Good morning, house lovers. And this morning we are going to be auditioning tradies. Not in the Harvey Weinstein just slip off your bikini bottoms kind of way. Let me shed some light on the matter. But really about finding someone to do the best job. A friend of mine, well versed in such matters, did point out to me that in fact the worst thing you can do is hire hot tradies, because they tend to be more concerned with the relative temperature of their latte and the position of their man bun. As you know, Bon Accord, Good Times House, was a boarding house, which means that in each of the rooms there was a little kitchenette and a sink. And your task today, your task, if you choose to accept it, hot tradie, is to remove each of the sinks and the stoves so that we can offload them to a more loving home. So if you know someone who wants 10 stoves in varying conditions of decay, give me a call. Auditions went well, no tears, no hashtags, and we have made our decision. So these guys, though, are just going to be helping us with the kitchen and sink and stove removal, so they're not going to be engaged in the bigger work. That will be a whole nother audition process. Anyway, let's go and meet them. And this is Cameron, and this is George. Say hi, fellas. Hello. Thank you, who are going to be taking out the sinks and the gas stoves, and we'll put their website at the end. Cheers, fellas. There we are. We have found our tradies and they are busy at it, dismantling sinks and stoves as we speak. So I feel that it is now time for me to do some judicious stripping and have a go perhaps at one of the mantelpieces and see exactly what lies beneath. And just a little aside, as the boys are still busily removing stoves and sinks, is a little survey of floor coverings at Bon Accord House 101. Here we have splayed before us the beautiful 90s office carpet, whereas here you can see I've done a bit of judicious stripping once again. Here is the fabulous 70s lino. Underneath that is the 40s lino. And underneath that, of course, the Baltic floorboards, which are all looking in pretty good condition. There has been some requests to see more of the house, less of me. God knows why, I can't understand that. Anyway, here is the upstairs landing. There we are, there's the exit sign. There's the compliant railing, which we all love. And here is suite number 6, which is the room that has the colonial shield door cabinet. And this was the room that had its palatial ensuite. And there is the remains of the kitchen, sans stove, but I can't wait to get my hands on those hanging cupboards. And the extractor fan. Anyway, this is room 6. I might show you others if you're very good later on. In a nutshell, Bon Accord is a simple abode. It is quite simply, we're at room number 7, it's quite simply 4 rooms downstairs and 4 rooms upstairs with a staircase. So not a lot to see at this point, but there will be more. A good day has been had by all. Let's just go and check the presidential suite and see how El Presidente is going. And ta-da! Here we have no stoves. We do have a sink, but it's been unplumbed, and I'm going to be very butch and pull that out. Not so keen on the amount of rodent excrement that is clearly visible. Never mind, we shall have to get a cat. Of course, one of the less salubrious things is discovering all the fetid pig fat and sugar that has been charmingly dripping down the walls for the last God knows how long. Anyway, won't that be fun? I should be wearing very thick gloves and a mask. As I stare endlessly at myself, I realise today I look a little bit like Ellis Lowry's famous self-portrait with his cap and Mac, which I will show you now. quick stove update. Regardez behind me, as they say au français. 4 remaining stoves. These are, of course, the mankiest ones, which are probably only fit for the scrap heap. But we got rid of 6, which is great, and they're all going to a new home where they're going to be used and loved. We need to find a new, equally a sensitive owner for these 4. Watch this space. I think with all this hearty sledgehammering and leveraging of kitchenware, I think I need to have a go at some kitchen cabinets. There we go. Cupboard's gone, greasy stains revealed, all that pig fat and sugar dripping slowly down the walls. Have we revealed the proportions of the room? Well, nonetheless, I feel I've achieved something, and the IKEA cupboards have gone. There we are, house lovers. Until next time, when I have something even more thrilling to show you, which might well be Maddie being butch and sledgehammering out the kitchen cabinets. See you later.